abatwa. A-B-A-T-T-O-I-R. Abatwa.
Correct.
Amashomero agasingira empakezi harimo erya
Parental Care Primary School Bushenyi
n'erya St Mukasa Preparatory School Mushanga bwa nyuma yo kuritana n'amashomero agarukorenga shanju okwetorora Burengyerwa-izooba kandi byona bitebekanisiibwe aba enjuba bakwatanise na government ya Uganda ero kurabira o ministry y'ebyobwegese hamwe n'emizano.
Relationship R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S-H-I-P. Relationship.
Correct.
Mukisa William obirajwekyire enjuba na ministry y'ebyobwegese nagira ngo bagenderere kutungura entaranta omubana hamwe no kubateekateekesa mangu.
Something special that has happened this year is even as we go out, seeing that every region is represented by their top 25 spellers who will be coming to Kampala. Like now the winners here are going to be coming to Kampala on the 23rd of October to join the rest of the regional leaders or winners to see who will represent Uganda at the African Spelling Bee next year.
Abebembezo mu district ya Bushenyi aho empaka ezibire nezihindira basimire government ya NRM abo kubafaho okombeka ensinganto kwenda kutunga abebembezo barungi banyensya. Bamwe omubeegi abutugambiraho naho basimire enteekateeka kandi bahaya kuteka Burengyerwa-izooba aha map mpaka bagumizemu bakakikyerera ihanga lyona omuri South Africa.
I would like to thank the administration, the club patron, and all my teammates in this. I wasn't there alone, we were all working together, and I hope even in the nationals my fellow teammates will be able to make it.
It was not easy to win. In order to win, I had to pray to God, I had to work hard and practice very hard. And all I needed to do was know what I wanted to get at the end of all this. And I had a lot of faith in God, knowing that as long as I believe in God, I would get what I want. I was the first in the whole of Western Uganda.
Amashomero agandi gaza kuritana n'amashomero agandi kurugo mu region ezindi omu kwezi kwa 10 rero abaratsinge nibija kuhebwa ticket zo kushohora heru kujwekyera ihanga aha rurengo rwa Africa.